In today's corporate affairs departments, data is playing lots of different roles. There are two I would highlight today. One is using data to look retrospectively at your communications performance. So how is your content landing? Is it reaching the audiences that you want to reach? Is your messaging cutting through? But then there's another side to it, which is data being used to look ahead, look forward. We do a lot of that here at FTI, whether it's predicting or modeling how messages are likely to land in a certain environment or with a certain audience group, or it's predicting what sort of macro trends are going to impact an industry that then a communications or corporate affairs team needs to be concerned about. If communications leaders want to become more savvy, there are a couple places they can start. One is in thinking about measuring. If they're not measuring their communications activity and performance, I think that's a huge gap. And we often recommend that communications measurement happens in a really integrated way. So you do have a lot of corporate affairs teams who say, I've got my media data coming in, I can see what's happening on social, I've got my web analytics, all sort of sitting in separate silos within the business. And a really nice place to start in trying to make better sense of that data is bringing it together in one framework. FTI has a really strong heritage when it comes to data and analytics. We have specialist teams that sit within strategic communications who are focused on using NLP, natural language processing, machine learning, large language models to help underpin communications strategies for our clients. But we're really uniquely positioned to help these clients, not just because of the strategic communications data expertise, but also because we have data science, data analytics, and technology experts that sit within our broader FTI ecosystem who have lots of experience that sits beyond strategic communications, whether that has to do with litigation, whether that has to do with e-discovery, cybersecurity, all of that expertise comes to bear in what we're doing actually from a strategic communications perspective too, because we partner across the network, across our ecosystem.